Anyway, yes, we have discussed the first pair. Now we move on to the next one. We are talking about this, okay? We are moving this way. So this is stop, Joseph, Baba we have taken. Now we talk about th and the. Th. Is it okay?
Yes.
Th is aspirated sound. Okay? Table, turn, tiffin. This is how we pronounce. Pa is also aspirated. We say parrot. We say paper. First pa is aspirated and second pa is not. Paper. This is how. And the third sound, do you remember? Is aspirated. Which one was that? I told you. Ka. Very good. Ka. Yes, ka. Say loudly so that I can hear. Sometimes you're not audible. Say loudly. Say it again. Ka. Very good. Ka. Like in words like cat. Cat. You don't say cat, you say cat. Cable. Yeah. So initially, and I'm not writing initially, immediately again. This will do. Okay. Yes. So let's take the words initially. Yes. Tin. Okay, this is very simple. Din. Or say, tip. I'll tip. It's a better word. Tip. Dip. How do you describe? Very easy. Tip. Dip. Very easy. This is how we transcribe. Yes, tell me more words. Tomb. For example, tomb. I'm taking a difficult word. How do you write? Because this word is often mispronounced. That's why I'm taking this word. Tomb. This is initial sound. Th, u, and ma. Tomb. And here you can have doom. Doom is pronounced the way it is written. Is okay with it? Doom. Is it fine?
Yes.
Some say Tom. That's not correct. Okay? This is not Tom. And this is not Tom either. This is Tomb. Same as we have Doom. That's why you have similar way of transcribing it. Okay? Now tell me the sound where it occurs medially.
Latter.
I don't know, you are very slow. I can't hear you.
Latter. Latter.
Okay. This is medially. Medially. Let me write in center. Should I? Yes, letter. Now it's very challenging. You give me a similar word like ladder. Okay? Ladder will be okay, I think. Ladder we may take here. So le. See? Le. This is this sound, a sound, letter. Yeah, letter. R you may put in bracket. Letter. And ladder is also transcribed the same way. Ladder. Okay? So you have ta occurring medially and you have da occurring medially here. Now final sounds are easy. Tell me.
Bud.
Okay, good. Finally you have bud. Good. Or bud. No, bud. It should be but.
But and bud.
Yeah, this is but. Okay. Good. This is nice. Good example. So how do you write but? You write but like this. But. See, now if this is occurring at the end, you would not aspirate it. This is the but. It's not but. But. One more.
Bit.
Okay. This is what?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm supplying another. This is bit here. Okay, bit. You would write like this, and bit you would write like this. So you have the initial, medial, and final occurrence of t and da, as you had of p and b. Now the last plosive that we have here in the horizontal row is ka ga. It is, I don't know whether I told you the three-term description. Okay, let me tell you if I haven't. This is, tha is alveolar. Okay, this is voiceless alveolar fricative. Okay.
Plosive.
Yeah. Voiceless alveolar plosive. This is first row. Voiceless alveolar plosive. This is voiced alveolar plosive or strong. And this is velar, voiceless velar strong. This is voiced velar strong. This is three-term description. It's easy. Ka and ga. Ka is voiceless and ga is voiced. Ka ga. Okay. Yes. So let's begin with that. Ka. Where do you have ka? Tell me. It came. Came. He came. Yeah. So I'm writing ka here and ga here. You may have gain here. Gain. So came, how do you transcribe? You transcribe it like this. Came. Sounds like, say, common Rajasthani name. Came. Gain. Okay. Is one more, tell me one more word. Curl, for example, curl. Curl. Here you may have girl. Curl. How do you transcribe like this? Curl. R is not pronounced, okay, curl. But for your convenience, you may write in bracket if you like. Otherwise, it's not required. This is okay. And then, sometimes, when you are in a hurry, you can write in capitals, which is wrong. You ought to write in small letters, girl, and always close it between two slashes. Okay, a sound becomes this is a letter of alphabet. If I write like this, these are letters of alphabet. Okay, they are not phonetic symbols. They become phonetic symbols only when you close them within the slant lines or slashes. Okay. So initial, okay. Now medially can this mocking. Mocking. Can we have mocking is mocking. So a similar word would be mocking, jogging. More. I told you this is written this way and this is also written this way. These days they write like this. This is also okay. But I would suggest that you write this way. I am accustomed to writing like this only. Mocking. Mocking. This is mocking. It's fine?
Yes.
And say this is jogging. So j is go or e jogging. Okay, this is unsound. Jogging. It's fine?
Yes.
So you have medially and then finally. Okay. So when you are writing this vowel, write like this. Okay. Like I write like this pot. As I said, I am accustomed to writing like this. This is how my teachers told, but now in the current books I see that they write it like this. This is how they write. So you may write. And for this there is no problem. You continue writing like this only. Okay, in boat, court, fort, this is okay. This is still in vogue, accepted. But I don't know. They say that this has become obsolete. I know. That's why I suggested to write like this. Yes. So finally, kha sound. Finally, yes. Back. You may say back. See, back. Ka sound is occurring finally. Here you may have bag. Is it okay?
Yes, yes.
Bag. And there can be many words. Yes?
Luck.
Luck. Okay, good. Luck. She said luck. Now we write luck. Luck you write like this. Okay, you may have buck or any other word.
Hug. 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 H-U-G.
H-U-G, hug. Okay. Hug, hug. Okay. Buck, when I said buck, buck is initial sound in fact. Buck pass that you play. Buck. Hug. This is hug. Good. Hug. Hug. Very nice. So, ga is occurring finally here. So, plosives are over.